All right, here are my packing cubes. They came really fast. They're not that big like you thought. There's one zipper on that side and double zipper on that side. It'll be fun to check it out. Talking about what I'm packing for clothes. In here, I have 3 short sleeve shirts, 1 medium, and 1 long sleeve. Yep. Oh, and that coverall thing. This is what it looks like before I squished it up. So let's go ahead and squish it up now and see what it looks like. So now it is all consolidated into a small one. Okay? All right. Now, in here I have my night clothes and my bathing suit. For my night clothes, I have 2 pairs of shorts, 2 tops, and 1 pair of pants, and my bathing suit. So there we go, all squished down. Okay. I have 3 pairs of pants, 1 capri, shorts, 1 pair of shorts, a skirt, a black skirt that goes all the way down to the ground. That's a good thing. Okay. There is my pants. Okay. In here, my underwear. And I saw this on the internet that if you have any old clothes that you're ready to throw away, use it on a trip. So I have 8 pairs of Holy underwear, which have holes in it. When I wear them, I have 8 pairs, so I can just throw some of them away. I don't need to wash them all. And I have 4 pairs of short socks and 4 pairs of long socks. Underpants and my socks now. That is just my clothes. I thought you might want to see my clothes in my nice new backpack and see if it's how it looks. It fits. Let's see if I can do the same of what you did. See, nice and simple and light. 16 pounds, 16 pounds for my clothes. And that includes the backpack. That's nice. I got these wet wipes for us. This is the water pick, disposable water pick, or not disposable, but travel one. These are all my cords, but that's going to be put into a zipper pouch and it's going to go in my backpack. I don't know. Should I bring this fan? My portable fan. I have to bring this. I have to bring this. A towel that you purchased for me. I got a big thing of Pepto-Bismol. My Pepto-Bismol tablets, my Imodium, my Tylenol, my tooth guard cleaner, nail clippers, lotion for my face, Pepto-Bismol chew tabs. I love those when I get diarrhea, but Imodium might be better. It's my travel Bible. I found this little umbrella in the car. I never wear sunscreen, but I'm going to bring it anyway. Tums. Extension cord, just in case. And my eyeglasses. And these things, remember that you soak and it turns all puffy and you can cool your neck on. Oh, this is my blanket and my pillow. Portable backpack. And of course, inside my backpack is your backpack with all your computer and batteries. That takes up a big part of my backpack. I found your binoculars. I know you were asking about your binoculars. That's all the stuff. Of course, I will need to still bring my toothbrush and everything I haven't showed you because I haven't gotten to it yet. And there's a few miscellaneous things in here. That's my little purse. Water bottles that you fold up that turn into like nothing. And this is a thing that you can put your cell phone here so you can easily pick it up and take pictures. Of course, I still have to fill my container with soap and shampoo. This will be in my backpack with me. This is more Pepto-Bismol, Imodium. You said have it with you wherever you go. And another nail clip just in case. And Dramamine. This is my foot sling of my earplugs, and I have more earplugs in my other bag. And then we have some liquid Band-Aid, some chapstick, I need to get gum. They say gum is good to have. It helps with the popping if you have problem. Some bandages, just a few little teeny things. And that's it. That's it. I'll bring my Arnicare too. I got our air tags. I need also to bring some laundry soap, some powdered laundry soap. I need to put that on my list. So much to do, so little time. Okay, talk to you later.